Hi, my name is Rosalinn and I'm a UX UI designer at Consenz.
I'm Lea Magnano. I'm also a UX UI designer, and together with Rosa, we are building the mobile app.
So, when the unit arrives at home, we thought it could be a good idea to have the onboarding within the app instead of having some kind of paper pamphlet. So, this is the general flow we're going for. It's kind of a step-by-step instructions for the user. So, yeah, it's easy to install. And the end goal here is to have ready to go in the car. Okay, so this is the wireframes we created, and it includes the whole structure of the app. And here we have placed different elements to show how it could be structured.
So, based on what you just saw, we started to prototype the app in order to test its flow. So in this part, we didn't focus on graphical elements that are in a very minimal stage, but we focused on the process that the user is going to go through. So first you will download the app and you will get to a welcome screen. From here you can get started. And here we put the option to choose whether to start onboarding if the user already have the product, or to discover consents. This section will bring into an introduction where our company is presented with our mission and our solution. However, if you press on start onboarding, you will be brought to this page in which you can create an account. So you can also log in if you created an account previously, but most of the users will create a new account. In here, you will be asked to provide your name, your email, and create a password. However, you can also sign up through Google or Facebook. After creating an account, you can choose if you want to install your device in the car, if you want to try it at home, or if you want to go directly to the homepage of the app. If you proceed with the in-car installation, you will be guided step by step in order to set up the device in your car. If you choose home trial, you will be guided to try out the product by being in your house, and you can simply plug it in and use it at home. So when we finished with the design about the flow and the process concerning the mobile app, we moved to the visual guidelines. In this case, we focus on the graphical elements, and we try to make the app look more according to the branding strategy. So in this case, we decided to switch for a brighter interface using colors such as scales of gray and green color. So here you can see how we started to implement these guidelines into our flow. We have the first screens of the onboarding process, and we are going to continue with this for all the other screens. If you want to know more or you have any suggestions for us, just click in the link below.